Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today, this is part 2 of what's new on my bead mat. I made so many pairs of earrings that I had to make it into 2 videos. I will leave part 1 below in the description box if you'd like to watch that one first. So I've used like all my different bead companies that I work with. Potomac beads, a lot of adornable elements. They're 2-hole beads. Dollar bead box, a lot of their fire polish beads and stuff. Little bit of bargain bead box, not too much. I don't know about any BB craft, but yeah, mostly just adorable elements and dollar bead box and Potomac beads. So this was for using adornable elements for July of 2024, and I made these really cute little earrings, and I used these caramel color super duos that they gave us. These were so pretty. And then the fire polished beads from one of the past boxes of Dollar Bead Box, and then my own super duos, and then some of my bright red seed beads. I just love this color combo. Look at that. Look how pretty that looks together. So I did these, and then I just put some copper ear wires on there. And then next, I think these were from, I'm not sure. I think these gold 2-hole beads were from the July Adornable Elements 2-hole beads of the month club. And then just some of the 2-hole more super duos, the blue, the green, and then these 2-hole beads, and then some Miyuki seed beads in silver. So that's one side, and this is another, and I just kind of kept intertwining it to connect them. They almost look like snowflakes. So they've got a really cool look to them. So these are next. I have those. Then these were kind of cool. These were using some silver super duos, and then these were I think these were 2-hole beads. Yeah, these are the 2-hole round beads, if you can see them from the side, from Adornable Elements, and they have that ridge. They have a cool look to them. And then some silver Miyuki seed beads, tiny 11-ohs. And yeah, so that's how it looks from the side. So these were really pretty. I like the way these turned out. It's got a cool look to them. They're not as colorful as the other ones. And then next is this. These I used, these pearl beads were from the Dollar Bead Box for July. And I think the fire polish beads were too, from Dollar Bead Box July. And then some of my AB colored super duos and black Miyuki seed beads. And then like I had said in my video before this, I've been using a lot of the black ear wires because I think it really finishes off the piece, because I don't really have any metal in here, no copper or silver or gold, so I like doing the black because it just kind of finishes it off. It makes it look dressier. So yeah, so that's that. And then I made this really fun pendant using just a little bit of everything. So this is really fun. And then I made the necklace part of it to match. So it's got a really fun, cool little hippie vibe to it. used my seed beads, and the orange beads were, I think, from the June dollar bead box, and the green beads, I think, because I didn't do too much with the June dollar bead box as well. And then I think this pearl was from the July dollar bead box, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, so I did this. And then I made these next. And these were using the 3-hole from the Hot and Trendy for July of Adornable Elements, the black bar beads. There's 3 holes in them. And then I just put the fire polish beads and the silver Miyuki seed beads in between, and some of the, I think those were druck beads there. But yeah, so this is pretty much the same on both sides. And I like this, the colors. I like the way they look. I think they got a really pretty look to them there. And then these were fun. I just made these the other day. And I just kind of intertwined. I've been doing like some red with pink and turquoise and blue. I have been really in a colorful mood lately. So I've been doing these. I love the way these look. They've got a really cool pattern to them and the colors. And I like mixing like the matte super duos with the shinier super duos, I think, because it just helps give the vibe of it be a little more creative looking. So I have those. I have a few more pairs. And then next I have these. These were fun. And I actually, I did the gold super duos and then the red matte super duos that had a little bit of a gold wash in them. And then these were actually fire polish beads, yellow, with just on the interior. So they were clear. And then this 11-0 silver Miyuki seed beads. And that's the back of them. And I like the way this color turned out. It's got a nice contrast to it. And then I made these. Now, I'm not sure if I showed you these in another video or not, because I made another pair. But I thought these were cool. These were those 3-hole half circles. I forgot what they were called. And then I just put my seed beads in there and put an ear wire on it. And I thought these turned out really pretty. And it's the back of them. They must look like pinwheels. So I've got those. And then I have these. These were fun too. I just did these like a day or two ago. And these gold 2-hole beads were from Adornable Elements July 2-hole beads. And then I did my fire polish beads, some super duos, black seed beads, black ear wires, and super duos in blue, and then like a really natural, like almost like a taupe color. So then it's got just this gold pop of sparkle. Like, that looks cool. So then I have these, and I have a few more. I have these, and these were with, oh, I forgot what these were called. These were from, I think, the June bead box, Adornable Elements box, if I'm not mistaken. And then I used some of the druck beads from Dollar Bead Box, and some of these were like a triangle bead from Hot and Trendy, from Adornable Elements, that green line in there, that's just 1 hole. Then I used some of my Miyuki green seed beads that match that, so that it's not too many contrasting colors in that. And I have 5 more pairs. Then I have these. This was a really big faceted fire polish bead. And then I just did the 2-hole kite beads and attached them, and then put the string in between, and then put some copper fire polish beads and some of the teal Miyuki seed beads. And I thought these turned out really pretty. Love this color combo on these. And then I have these. I'm saving the best ones for last. The last ones are really cool. And I just did those, I think yesterday or the day before. Then I did these with pink fire polish and the clear white fire polish, and then just the blue and the kind of like a soft pinkish peach color Super Duo beads. And then I did my 11 Miyuki seed beads in baby blue, and then finished it off to make the top right there. So I have those. And then these were really cool. I used these were using the blue fire polish beads and the AB fire polish beads from Dollar Bead Box, the silver Miyuki seed beads from Potomac Beads Aloha Paradise for July, and then the July box of Dollar Bead Box as well, the white 2-hole beads. So that's the back, and then I just finished it off with black ear wire and the black Miyuki seed beads. So I thought these were pretty. And then there's 2 more. These I made using, let me pick these up. I made using the Potomac Beads Box Aloha Paradise for July. And I just used their 3, the Bibo 2-hole beads, and then fire polish beads, and then their seed beads. And I just used, make these and make them like a star look to them. And then last but not least, these I thought were so cool. Hold on, let me get them. Let me get these right. So these were, I thought these turned out really cool. So they've got like a coppery bronze on the kite beads, and then I just added gold for the seed bead with that bright blue, deepish blue, bigger 6-0 seed bead, and just kind of like, they're kind of eclectic looking. They're not the exact same, and I just kind of intertwined them. That's the back of them. But I thought these turned out really cool. I have been loving making earrings lately, as you can tell. So yes. So this is all of the jewelry for part 2 of my What's New on my bead mat. And I will leave part 1 video in the description as well, along with all of the different bead boxes I used. And if I have any coupon codes, I will leave them in there as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this. And I will leave another video if you want to wait and watch that one. I know you're going to love it. And all of my information is below, my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Facebook page. And I would love it if you would like my video, share and subscribe to it. And also if you would comment on it, it really helps my search engines. And I will see you on my next video, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.